Omubazi ogwo gwayakirwa abebembezi ku lw'o Minisiture y'ebimagara ababebembirwemu Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng.
Uganda is the first country to receive trial vaccines in record time. First of all, we take note that the vaccines for Ebola Sudan were not ready with any manufacturer, but a lot of research and development had taken place. And by God's grace, we shall all be where you want to be.
Okugamba nti kaakati tetumanyi oba linaakola ki linaaziyiza obulwadde bwaki bwe bulwadde tugezaako bugeza naye tusuubira nti lijja kukola ki lijja kukola lwa nsonga nti emitendera giri gye yayitamu egyasooka emitoototo gyalaga nti eddagala lisobola okukola ki lisobola okuziyiza okukola ki akawuka kano aka Ebola.
We are going to circulate to be able to inform the community, to educate the community, especially on the safety of the vaccines. So there are different measures that we use to overcome this vaccine hesitancy. Like you saw during the COVID pandemic.
Omubazi ogwo niguteekateekwa kukola akika ky'Ebola ya Sudan strain kandi egi yaheereze kwita abantu 56 omuli Uganda.
Ladies and gentlemen, this disease has taken our loved ones and we cannot afford to lose more.
We shall be receiving other doses from Merck and from Oxford. Many of you may be asking questions that why are we receiving vaccines when there are no cases of Ebola? First of all, we are 9 days today, countdown. So it does not mean we will not get another case. Uganda is a country that always wants to be prepared and ready.
Okuja Ministry y'ebimagara government eriyo nekola kino kikubasika okureba ngu endwara y'Ebola yatuntumurwa omwihanga.
The country has discharged 87 patients who have recovered from this deadly disease. This is remarkable. Through a robust surveillance system under the leadership of the Minister of Health, the country has also been able so far to trace over 3,800 contacts. You need a robust system to be able to track those kind of contacts who are spread.
Minisitiri y'ebimagara nigirango byagumizamu nk'okubira hati 2010 by'okwezi kw'okubanza omwaka 2023 Uganda neza kurangirwa kwetakiremu endwara y'Ebola. Abo kwaitiragamba twahereza ebiro 42 Ministry etakutunga muntu oyine endwara nare orukwatwa endwara y'Ebola. Abwa TV West ndisenyamo Gideon.